Hallo zusammen, heute haben wir Grüße miteinander. Hola amigas y amigas, mis amores, buongiorno. And of course, mayong adlaw sa tanan kung asa man mo kayo sa kalibutan. So, heute sind wir eigentlich hier noch in Canton Glarus. So today we're still here in the district of Glarus in Switzerland. So today's hike, we are going to be heading towards Muttseehütte. So I don't know how far or how long the hike will be, but what makes this trip or this hiking path so interesting is that we're going to be starting off inside of this cave. So as you can see, this cave is actually 3 kilometers long. So we're starting and we're going to be walking towards that area, heading outside. And another special thing about this hike is that today we have Gwen with us. So so let's all welcome Gwen in Switzerland. So willkommen in Daheim. So this is her new home now, not Glarus, but Switzerland. So yeah, so more adventures with Gwen, and hopefully she's gonna be joining us in more of our adventures and more of our hike. But that's it for now. Bis nachher dann. Ciao. So do you see that? We've been walking for 2 kilometers, 19 meters, 26 minutes, and we're still not yet there. This is a very long tunnel. Seriously guys, it's very cold and I'm just wearing a razorback. Wrong outfit. Hey guys, so we're officially starting our hike. So as of the moment, we're currently in Limmernsee, so that's the lake right over there. And we're just gonna take this hike one step at a time. So from here, our next stop will be all the way up there. So that's where the hut is. So like I said, I really have no clue how long the hiking trail is going to be. So as always, we're just going to take it one step at a time, and I'll catch you guys on our next stop. So bis nachher. You still okay? Ach, wie immer, das ist immer ein Wunder. Kein Stress. Ja, du musst, das ist ganz wichtig. Wow! A whole bottle of Rivella. Go. Wir schaffen das. Careful. We're still heading towards that area. Still surviving, and yeah, Gwen is still right over there. So just for the record, we've been hiking for 2 hours, 3 minutes, and yeah, like I said, that's the goal right there, the end part, and we're almost in Vision Fasta. So yay! So, mis amores, so we finally reached our destination. So, check out our view. We are currently standing. Oh God, that's really scary. We are currently standing 2,501 meters high in one of the Swiss Alps again. So, yeah, one of those things that, you know, if this place doesn't entice you to come over to visit Switzerland one day, I don't know what else. But enough about that. So, let's ask our very first timer. So, finally,
I made it! I made it after how many hours?
So it took us 2 hours and 19 minutes to reach this place. So.
It's actually, for me, it's actually not for beginners, but then I made it.
Yeah.
Yay.
So
It's totally worth it.
yeah, totally worth it. Badge unlocked. So if she can make it, then I'm pretty sure anybody else, everyone else can.
Yes.
But you know what's the best? The ultimate prize. Check this out.
Beautiful lake.
This is just like hush to hush. Hush to hush.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, exactly. So wie eigentlich alles in der Schweiz, das ist wie ein Wunder, oder? Mega. Hey guys, so we're heading down now. This time we decided to go with another route. So earlier we were on the other side of the Alp and now we're heading down to the other side. Die andere Seite und schauen mal. Es ist ganz tief. Es ist okay, aber es ist auch ein bisschen gefährlich. Aber alles gut.
You guys should come here and experience the wonderful nature.
Yeah, and what was so amazing is that we were expecting that the highest one was 2,501, but we did went higher than expected. So we were around 2,700-ish, ungefähr 2,800 more or less. So we couldn't really get that because there was no sign, but yeah. Anyways, I know that it doesn't really give much justice because I don't know, the GoPro that I'm using doesn't really you know, make that much of how do you call that? It doesn't really justify the deepness, the steep path, but you get the picture. But anyway, so basically that's it. I'm just gonna end the vlog here. That's another hike, that's another adventure, and like what I said, anybody who decides to come to Switzerland and want to do this adventure with us, with me, with Gwen, with Peter, anyone is always welcome. We'd like to welcome and have you in our adventures. Just drop us a line and don't be a stranger, because we're living in a world that is a world without strangers, a world without borders. So ja, so das ist alles für heute. Ich wünsche euch einen schönen Tag oder ein schönes Tägli. Ciao zusammen. Adios.